we'll talk a little bit about those chronic things. Those are the ones that I must say, they really can drive me to tears and the patients as well. So when I say rehab, I'm going to talk quite broad about all the bits and pieces that you can do. But just to be on the so that we're all on the same page. When we talk about chronic, the symptoms should have been there for as long as 6 weeks or more. All right. They come out. And sometimes patients have spent a lot of money on these things as well. So they're even more frustrated if it hasn't worked. Okay. So it's like the little roly balls, sometimes just a water bottle filled with ice, all kinds of wedges and splints and different shoes. But it doesn't help the pain. Often they say the exercises I've been doing, I did them religiously, but you know what? Afterwards, I was so sore. So I thought I'll do them a little bit more or more regular, and I just got worse. So I think it all comes down in the end then to you almost have to reprogram. So now, just to help reassure you, if we look at all the evidence in the literature, there's good evidence for a lot of physio modalities that we try. So you've looked at their feet and you've seen it's one of those flat feet. So you can do your foot core exercises. And this is where I make them do it little bits throughout the day. So I normally start them in sitting because they're sore to stand and do these exercises.